Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 5472. This form is crucial for reporting transactions between a U.S. corporation and a foreign owner, ensuring transparency in international business dealings. Understanding its requirements is vital to avoid significant penalties. We'll cover who needs to file, what information is required, and the filing process. Generally, a reporting corporation must file Form 5472 if it had a reportable transaction with a foreign or domestic-related party. This includes U.S. corporations with at least 25% foreign ownership, foreign corporations engaged in a U.S. trade or business, and foreign-owned U.S. disregarded entities. You'll need to file a separate form for each related party. To complete Form 5472, you'll need to gather specific information. This includes details about your corporate structure and ownership, especially regarding foreign shareholders. You must report all monetary and non-monetary transactions with related parties, such as sales, purchases, rents, royalties, and loans. Be sure to include the name, address, and identifying numbers for each foreign-related party. Form 5472 must be filed as an attachment to your corporation's annual income tax return, typically Form 1120, by its due date. Foreign-owned U.S. disregarded entities must file a pro forma Form 1120 with Form 5472 attached. Failure to file or submitting an incomplete form can result in a minimum penalty of $25,000, with additional penalties if noncompliance continues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.